Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete TikTok account. If you are using TikTok and I want to delete your TikTok account, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your TikTok app here. Just tap on your profile option in the bottom right corner. Then tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner here. Select settings and privacy. Then select account. And here just select deactivate or delete account. And here you'll get two options if you want to deactivate your account or if you want to delete your account. If you want to temporarily deactivate your account, so you just have to select the first option, or if you want to delete permanently, so select the second option here. And here just select any reason. So I'm going to select another reason here, or you can also describe a reason, but I'm going to select this. I'm on TikTok too much or something like that. You can either select which one you want, then tap on this continue option. And here just wait for this loading and then select enable this toggle by continue. You reviewed your data request and wish to continue deleting your account. And here just tap on continue option. And after that you must have to enter the verification code sent on your Gmail, your email, or it might be a phone number. Just enter that code here. And once you have entered the code, your account will be deleted. So in this way you can easily delete your TikTok account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.